When are foundation cracks truly a concern? Here are some early, moderate, and severe signs of foundation damage, so you can know which stage your home is at. Early signs: interior or exterior hairline cracks. A hairline crack can be an early indication that your home's foundation is starting to settle. But in some cases, a thin crack could appear because the curing process of the cement didn't go well. Do not patch it without knowing the cause of the crack. To know if the crack is a cosmetic issue or a sign of foundation damage, we recommend calling a professional. Moderate signs: sticking doors or windows, gapping ceilings, and uneven floors are moderate signs that your foundation is settling. Repairs in this stage can be significantly cheaper, but if not addressed in time, it can get worse and more costly. Severe signs: interior and exterior cracks, misaligned windows, and bowing walls are major red flags. These severe signs indicate that your home structure is weakening and the value of your home is reducing significantly. At this stage, we recommend taking immediate action and calling a professional to inspect and create a repair plan for the home. Now keep in mind, foundation repair is not a one-size-fits-all. That's why at Groundworks, we offer tailored solutions so your home's foundation can be restored. For more information and to schedule a free inspection, click below.